how to unrestrict someone on Facebook. So unrestricting and restricting someone on Facebook is actually done through the Messenger app through messages. So what we can do is restrict someone and then show you how to unrestrict them. So let's go to the Messenger app and go ahead and pick a conversation or pick a person that you want to restrict. So we're going to pick this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on their name at the very top. From here, you'll find a bunch of different settings that are tailored to that person. So what you want to do is come to the very bottom where it says restrict and go ahead and restrict them. Now, if you want to quickly unrestrict them or you did it by accident, you can hit unrestrict right here. But if you're doing it at a later date, you do have to go through the actual settings of Messenger. So what we can do is come back out of here and go to the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. And then what you want to do here is go to your settings and then scroll all the way down until you see where it says privacy and safety. And from here, scroll down to where it says who can reach you, and you want to go to your restricted accounts. So from here, what you can do, this is where all of your restricted accounts will be, and it's very easy to unrestrict someone from this point. And it's important to know that it will affect your Messenger app and Facebook also. So keep that in mind when you're restricting someone or unrestricting. And from this point, they can see all of your updates, your posts, your messages, all those things go back to normal. So we can go ahead and click the name and hit unrestrict. And that's it. So the Messenger conversation will end up in the same place where it was. And that's